Hey, my adorable friends. Welcome back to Quiz Slice. All right, today's game is all about gender swap. Guess the world collides, Descendants and Zombies artists in their opposite gender. Don't forget to comment on all your answers. Ready to prove you are the #1 fan? Let's get going. Let's start with this. Who's this artist? Wonderful start. Freya Skye it is. Do you recognize this character? Oh yeah, Malachi Barton. I wonder who this is. Awesome shot. That's Kylie Cantrall. Whoa! Do you recognize this one? That's right. It's Malachi Barton. Whose eyes does this belong to? Yeah, it's Malachi Barton. Do you know this character? Correctamundo. It's Mikanan Knife. Who's hidden behind this beautiful girl? Bingo! Joshua Colley. What's about this one? Any idea? Right. It is Dara Renee. Would you rather pick a date with male version of Dara Renee or the female Joshua Colley? Cast your vote down the comment now. Very easy one. Guess it? Yup. Zed from Zombies. How about this? Got yourself an answer? Our old school VK, Mal. She looks like a princess. That's actually Prince Ben. Can you find the odd one out? Bingo! It's right there. Back to business. Who's this handsome man? Excellent guess. That's Addison. One more coming up. Who's this? Carlos. Respect to him. What's this character's name? On the board. Recognize this one? you're so clever. It's Bucky. Can you spot all three differences between these images? You're incredible. It's all there. This one's tough. You're a genius. Audrey it is. Any guesses about this? Bam! Another classic VK, J. How about this one? You're cracking this quiz. It absolutely is Eliza. Any idea about this Pinky Man? Ooh, that's Bridget as a man. Who's this amazing character? Dang, you're good. Harry Hook. Quick question, whose silhouette is this? Oh yeah, that belongs to Zed. Next up, who's this character now? Uma's aunt, Juliana. Another one coming up. Recognize this character? Whoa! It's Wyatt. How about this crucial character? Ya dang right, it's Queen of Hearts. Familiar with this one? Yeah, that's Bonzo. Almost done, but you must solve this. Wow, that's Willa. She's handsome as a man. Last and hard. Recognize this one? She's Fairy Godmother. Woohoo! You absolutely nailed it. Descendants/Zombies gender swap is in the wrap. Thanks for playing. Don't forget like, subscribe, and comment on your answers. Well then, until the next video, I'll see you. Goodbye!